Welcome back to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find this information helpful. Today we're diving into Navy Federal Credit Union's personal loan options, breaking down everything you need to know to decide if they're the right fit for your financial needs. Navy Federal offers a variety of personal loans designed to cater to different borrowing purposes. Whether you're consolidating debt, tackling home improvements, covering unexpected expenses, or planning that dream vacation, they likely have a loan product that aligns with your goals. Let's explore some key features and benefits. One of the standout advantages of borrowing through Navy Federal is their competitive interest rates. Members often enjoy lower rates compared to traditional banks or other lending institutions. This can translate to significant savings over the life of your loan. Be sure to check their website for the most up-to-date rate information, as rates can fluctuate. Navy Federal also offers flexible loan terms, allowing you to choose a repayment schedule that suits your budget. You can select a shorter term for higher monthly payments and less overall interest paid, or opt for a longer term with lower monthly payments but potentially higher total interest. Applying for a personal loan with Navy Federal is typically a straightforward process. You can apply online, over the phone, or even in person at a branch location. They provide resources and tools to help you estimate your potential monthly payments and explore different loan scenarios. Before committing to any loan, it's essential to carefully review the terms and conditions, including any applicable fees. Navy Federal strives for transparency, so you should be able to find all the necessary details on their website or by contacting a loan specialist. Understanding the fine print is crucial for making informed financial decisions. Beyond personal loans, Navy Federal offers a comprehensive suite of financial products and services, including checking and savings accounts, credit cards, and mortgages. They're a full-service financial institution dedicated to serving the needs of their members. Remember, responsible borrowing is key. Only borrow what you can comfortably repay and ensure the loan aligns with your overall financial plan. If you have any questions about Navy Federal's personal loan options or any other financial product, reach out to their member services team. They're a valuable resource and can provide personalized guidance. We hope this overview of Navy Federal's personal loan options has been helpful. For more financial tips and insights, be sure to subscribe to Rome Tech and stay tuned for future videos. Thanks for watching.